Bring it on, but we also want houses and jobs. That's the main reaction from residents of West Kingston to news that a police headquarters will be built on no man's land. But for some, the move by the government is totally unnecessary.
No man's land, partially indicative of its name, now a refuge for garbage and overgrown vegetation, for history, tribal war in West Kingston. But it's law and order that will rise from the ashes, a new headquarters for the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
It's a good decision. It should have been done a long time ago. Because to help reduce the crime in the area, and people feel more comfortable. I want to work the policemen do their job, they're more respectful to the people of the community. Despite where the people live, is them own, must treat them like human beings.
I think it is a good thing because we need more security in this place because you don't know when anything can occur, you understand?
Security is important. No man's land in West Kingston is near communities such as Rima, Trenchtown, Golden Heights, Denhamtown and Jonestown. The security forces are in Hawkeye mode, with Denhamtown being a zone of special operations. For some, the new police headquarters should bring other goodies.
And a lot of young people would probably look up in terms of the police and them there. And then police, sometimes people say police bad and police this and that. But sometimes probably them would have come on the ear and talk to the youth them and teach them like a thing and give them like a job. Because a lot of educated youth and children in the area will need a job.
We need proper infrastructure, build more housing. And also I would like for the government to come in and embark on a public education campaign and to really go in depth and show the youth that the paramount importance of education. That is what the government is like, to change that long-standing social decade about our community, and the bad stigma that attached to it is a negative connotation, and it also paint a bad image on us whenever we go to look work.
Now, the National Security Minister told Parliament that the new headquarters should not dislocate residents. Dr. Horace Chang said the National Housing Trust will cater to their needs. Residents believe the land space should be used for just that, building houses.
Most people need houses, right? So I think the land is a very big land, so I definitely think more houses would be best to build on the land as well.
We're not on a station, because in a sense there's Azoso, and it's effective at this point. Andrew, come talk to us. Bring something better than that. Build up down a railroad, give more work.
With the skill set they have, some residents are making do, like Fitzy. For the past 9 years, this farmer has occupied a section of no man's land. Rearing pigs, goats, chicken, freshwater fish, eggs, banana and other crops to feed his family and community. The new police headquarters may be bad for business.
I know them that come one day still enough on my place. And I can't fight people for one for me. You can't stop it because it's a government thing. You see it? So you have to just hope when they come, then give me a good deal. Because I need someone to deal with my thing.
Speaking of things, residents in Golden Heights showed me this blue and white structure that is yet to be transformed into a police post. Head of the Area 4 Police Division, Assistant Commissioner of Police DEVON WATKIS, said it was set up before the ZOSU was declared.
At the time, there were some issues with some of the infrastructure necessary for constant occupation. So that will be resolved in short order.
So the plan is to still maintain it as a police post?
It will be used for some law enforcement activities in that rule of law sometime soon.
That issue aside, ACP WATKIS urged the residents to embrace the new police headquarters at No Man's Land, which should save the government $400 million per year. It will accommodate over 2,500 police officers. Home to units such as those specializing in narcotics, cybercrime, as well as personnel attached to the National Intelligence Bureau and the Counterterrorism Organized Crime Investigative Branch.
If you have the opportunity to restrict reckless movement and reckless action by presence and the ability to be in proximity, then that by itself represents a good opportunity to make a difference. In terms of buying time to do deliberate investment in educational infrastructure, in employment, in giving the socio-economic environment a boost, and to symbolize that in fact you can get change. And who else is best placed to do it than the police?